So the next step is to program the display screen. There's two ways to do this. One is by using the display screen itself, and the other one is to use a Bluetooth app on your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use it using your Bluetooth app on your phone. If you want to program your display screen using the app, first thing to do is download the app. Once it's downloaded, open it up, allow Bluetooth. It will scan for the device. You need to make sure that it is turned on. Once it's found the device, you click on it. You can change the name if you would like, or you can leave it at the default. Once the app loads, press the gear button. And this is the same as with this display screen. You'll need to know how many amp hours you have of batteries. In our case, we have one battery, which is 90 amp hours. So we'll change this to 90. And then you simply scroll down to the bottom and press update. You'll hear a beep, and it is updated now to the correct settings.